In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the Boomwackers. They're basically a plastic tube that is tuned to a specific note. This one is actually tuned to C, and then it goes D, E, F, G, A, B, C again. The longer tubes have a lower pitch. There's two different main ways to play this instrument. The first way is using a beater and just striking it. The second main way is by hitting it against something like a table or, your hand. With that, we can actually play a song. So let's play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This is fun. That's typically how you play them, but that's just, simple melodies with single notes. If we wanted to play a chord, we bash them together. So this is C and G, that would make, a C chord. Or we could use the E as well, and then we could have all three of them. And, that works with different notes, playing them together. Give you one more example. So D and F. Anyway, that is how you play the Boomwackers. If you want to check out this specific set, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye for now.